Hello everyone, welcome back. Do you want to create cartoon animated videos without learning animation, without expensive software, and without any experience? Then this video is exactly for you. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to create professional cartoon animated videos using Canva. Yes, Canva. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create your own animated videos for YouTube, Instagram, or even for clients. So let's get started. First, we need background images. So for that, open Google and search for background images for kids animated videos. Okay, now go to Images, and from here, simply download the background images of your own choice. Okay, so I download the first background image, and download some more images. We are downloading these background images just for idea. Alright, after downloading the images, go to ChatGPT and simply upload the first image and give it a command that give me a detailed image prompt for the above image in animated style. Okay, so here is a detailed prompt for your background image. Now, for image generation, search for Leonardo AI. Open this first website, and you have to sign up with your Google account. Click on Images. Now copy your image prompt and paste it here. From the Model section, I will go with the Flux Dev model, and from Aspect Ratio, select 16:9 and hit Generate. So here are the results. Let's download this one. Now again, upload the image, give it the same command, and here is the image prompt. Now copy this prompt and paste it here and hit Generate. So the results are really amazing. Download this image. Okay, so follow the same steps and generate all your background images. You can see I create all the images. Now let's animate these images. Open Canva, you will see the Canva dashboard. Now click on the Videos option. As soon as you click, you will see many options. You need to select the Video Landscape option. A blank canvas will appear in front of you. From here, we will start creating our animated video. Go to Uploads, and from there, upload your background images. Now drag and drop all the images one by one. Okay, now go to Apps and search for Clippy. Okay, now search for Birds, go to Sticker, and from here, select any bird of your choice. I want to select this one. Now search for Kids Playing and go to Sticker, and I want to use this one. Okay, now I want to add one more bird, so again, search for Birds. Now go to Flip option and flip it to horizontal. Now make sure that your image is selected, then click on Animate option, and then click on Create an Animation. Drag this image on the canvas. From here, select Smooth. Now again, select the next image and animate it using the same method. So now, animate the second image. Here, search bicycle. Okay, so I'm selecting this one. Now search butterfly and add a beautiful butterfly of your own choice. Now search kids sitting, and I'm selecting this one. Okay, now select the image and click on Animate, then click on Create an Animation. If you want motion in a straight line, then hold Shift and then drag the image on the canvas. From here, select Steady, and you can adjust speed from here. Now on same way, animate the butterfly image. And adjust speed according to the length of your clip. Now, animate the third clip. Let's follow me step by step here. Now let me animate the last clip and show you directly the result. So here is the last clip. And your video is finally ready.
If you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to like the video, subscribe the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out future tutorials.